Okay, folks, we got a new repair here, and it's for a Samsung UN60J6200F. And the complaint is after the storm passed, the TV went power back on, and it does have a standby light. And when I try to power the TV on, nothing happens. Okay, as you can see, if I lower my camera, there's a standby light on there, right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna figure out what's going on, why this TV doesn't want to power on. So let's get it on my trusty table, on what I call my TV operating table. And let's adjust the camera, bring it in a little closer. I've taken most of the screws out already, and just have to take 2 more out. And this panel here, you can lift out. You have to lift out. I don't use my fingernails. You can actually use a tool, go in the vents, and actually lift it out like that. This has the power supply board. T-con board is under there, and the main control board. First thing we want to do is check our voltages. On this board, it has 13 volts output all the time. It has grounds. It has a pulse width modulated backlight. It has power supply on and off. And so we'll check for the 13 volts first. So the first thing you want to do is connect the ground, chassis ground. Alright. And use my trusty fluke meter. And you should be able to, hopefully you can see it also. And I'll go to pin 1. And it's showing nothing, of course, because you got to give it power. So I'm plugging the power cord. Sorry about that, folks. Alright, let's go to pin 1. And the voltage should be present from the start, and it's reading 9 volts and fluctuating when it should be reading 13 volts and fluctuating. 9 volts and fluctuating. Okay? So the next thing I like to do is take the load off of the power supply, and then see if that 13 volts comes back up, or 12 volts comes back. So in order to do that, we come over here, give you a view here, and we disconnect the main board cable connector from the power supply, which is done. Okay, then I'm gonna plug my power cord back in, and look, we have backlights come on. So that's a good way of testing whether your backlight power also. And the fact that the backlights came on lets me know on the newest Samsung TVs that my power supply is fine, and that the main board or the T-con board is pulling down my 13 volts or my 12 volt supply. So I'm going to go to one of the pins here and see if I can read 3.2 volts, 2.3 volts. Okay, that 2.3 volts is for the backlights. Backlights on, pulse width modulated voltage is next, and then power supply on is 5 volts. Okay, so if I go to the other side, I should see ground 12 volts, 12 volts, 12 volts, and 12 volts. So the power supply is fine. So what I now can do is take it a step further. I can unplug that, and I can plug this back in and disconnect the output to the T-con board. T-con board needs power also. So I'll disconnect that. I'll close the clamp down and I could disconnect the speakers, but that's not necessary, and the board that controls power on and infrared detector, I can disconnect that cable. Speaker cable is not necessary to disconnect. Okay. And I'll plug it back up, and as you see, I don't have any backlights again, and I'm willing to bet that I'm back down to 9 volts. Yes, I am. So that let me know there's a problem on the main board. Probably one of the controller ICs, voltage controller ICs is shorted or somewhat, and is pulling down my power supply. So we'll get a new main board ordered for this guy. And thanks for watching. That's how you quickly troubleshoot and determine what's going on with a Samsung UN60J6200F with standby light only and won't power on. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.